Hi Shushma,
Hi Ashwin.
how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
How is your life now going?
Yeah, it's going going better.
Very happy to see you giving a feedback at IIG. Uh, how was the course? Is it helping you?
The course was good. Now, on Monday, I will be leaving from here, like to Dubai. So I will start searching for the job. Hopefully I'll get some good opportunity after doing the course. So basically, I have like diamond knowledge. So I have like 11 years of work experience. So this like in gemstone, it will be a like first opportunity for me.
Do you remember everything that you studied in IIG?
Yes, most probably.
So you're going to apply all these studies in the practicality in Dubai as well, right?
Yes. After getting an opportunity, definitely I have to, and I'm sure it will be very helpful for me now.
Anything else you would like to say about your experience, your feelings with respect to IIG?
Nothing as such, but it was a good experience with the trainers. You have given us like more knowledge and a good knowledge as well. And was very helpful. And Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwin.